Good afternoon and namaste, my dear students. I would like to welcome you all in this distance teaching and learning class. It's been a long time, right? So, myself Miss Samiksha Katwal teaching you English grammar of grade 6. In our previous class, we discussed about nouns, pronouns, adverbs and adjectives as well as tense, right? So today we are going to discuss about free writing. You can look the topic over here. Free writing, letters of applications, formal letter, essay writing, paragraph writing, story writing, etc. Understood, my dear students? Okay, so today we will first of all discuss about letters of applications. Letters of application. How to write the letters of application and what is include over here. You can look here, letters of application. First of all, when we write a letter, you can look here properly. When we write a letter, applying for a position, for a job, to be a volunteer, etc. We should include following things. Like, okay, so when we write a letter applying for a position, for a job, to be a volunteer, etc., we should include following things. Like, we should include opening remarks and reason for writing. Understood, my dear students? When we write a letter applying for a position, for a job, to be a volunteer, etc., we should include these following things: opening remarks, reason for writing. So, opening remarks, what job? First, in which post and in which job you want to apply? What job? Position we are applying for. And another most important things, where and when we saw it advertised. Most important thing, opening remarks, reason for writing, what job, position we are applying for, where and when we saw it advertised. And the next thing, a main body with two paragraphs. Which includes all the necessary information. Including age, what you do, student, right? Students, etc. And another thing, relevant qualifications. Another thing, experience, Another thing, helped with an environmental project. And another skills and personal qualities. Next one, interest, relevant interest. Next, languages, personality, etc. Understood? A main body which includes 2 paragraphs. All the necessary information including is what you do, students. Relevant qualification, experience, helped with an environmental project, skills, personal qualities, relevant interest, language, personality, etc. This is the second most thing, a main body with 2 paragraphs. And last one, closing remarks. So what is included here in closing remarks? Okay, I will write here other important information. Other important information. Where, when to contact you, what you have enclosed, etc. You should use formal style when writing a letter of application. Okay, so next one is closing remarks. Other important information: where, when to contact you, what you have enclosed, etc. And the most important thing is you should use formal style when writing a letter of applications. Did you got me, my dear students? While writing a letters of application, you need to concentrate in 3 things: opening remarks, reason for writing, another one, a main body with 2 paragraphs, closing remarks. That means it consists of 4 paragraphs. First of all, opening remarks, reasons for writing, what job, position we are applying for, where and when we saw it advertised, a main body 2 paragraphs, all the necessary information including age, what you do, students, etc., relevant qualification, experienced, helped with an environmental project, skills, personal qualities, relevant interest, languages, personality, etc. And the last one, closing remarks, other important information, where, when to contact you, what you have enclosed, etc. And most important thing, you should use formal style when writing a letter of applications. So this is the main thing which you need to remember while writing letters of applications. Understood? Okay, so next one is let's do one question of applications writing. I think you understood this one, right? Okay, my dear students, so let's discuss one question. Imagine, okay? Imagine imagine you want to apply to be a volunteer this winter vacation. Imagine you want to apply to be a volunteer this winter vacation. You need to, okay, imagine you want to apply to be a volunteer this winter vacation. You need to fill this application form. I will write here and you need to fill it. You just need to guess it and you need to tell me. Understood? Okay. Volunteer center application form. This is just a demo for you. Volunteer center application form. Okay. First of all, you need to write your surname. Okay, so this one is volunteer centers application form. First of all, surname, and then name. Surname, name, is, and sex, male or female, and next one, nationality. Next one, email address, and telephone number. Next one, okay, here, I am interested in participating 12 to 25th July, and next one is 26th to 8th August. You need to circle one of this. Okay, so I'm interested in participating 12 to 25th July or 26th to 8th August. And next one is language. English, others. You need to tick one. Of this. Okay. So next one is hobbies or interest. Last one is hobbies or interest. Okay, so imagine you want to apply to be a volunteer this winter vacation. So this is an demo for you. Volunteer centered application form. First of all, you need to write your surname and then name, age, sex, male or female, nationality, email address, telephone number. I am interested in participating. You need to circle one of these, or 12 to 25 July or 26 to 8th August. Next one, language, you need to tick one. You are writing in English, you speak in English or in other language, because there are varieties language, yes or no? There are Newari language, Tamang language, Nepali language. You can tick in others, otherwise you can tick in English. And hobbies or interest. What is your hobby? what you are interested in. You need to write it. Like for example, surname, like Thapa. Surname Thapa. Name, you can write Rita. Age, you can write 15. Sex, female, right? Female. Nationality, Nepali. Nationality, Nepali, right? Email address, rt12@gmail.com. Just send random Gmail ID. Telephone number, you can write yours own telephone number. And I am interested in participating circle 1 of it. You can take in 12 to 25th July also, or you can take in 26 to 8th August. Okay, I will take here 26 to 8th August. And next one, language. I will take in English. And hobbies, if you are posting for applications of volunteers in volunteer for winter vacation, you can write to serve others, because the main work of volunteer is to serve other, is to help other. Yes or no? So hobbies or interests, you can write to serve others. Okay, did you understand, my dear students? This is the demo of writing the applications in volunteer center application form. This is one form and you just fill it. So another one, we are going to discuss about formal letter writing. Formal letter writing. Formal letter writing. Okay, when we write a formal letter, we use, when we write a formal letter, we use more advanced vocabulary. More advanced vocabulary. More advanced vocabulary with reference to your advertisement. With reference to your advertisement. Formal linking, words, phrases. Formal linking words, phrases. In addition, you can write however. In addition, you can write however. And next one, the passive I can be. The passive I can be connected. Understood? The passive I can be connected. Next one, polite full forms. Polite full forms. I would like to apply. I would like to apply. And when we write a formal letter, we use, okay, so formal letter writing. When we write a formal letter, we use more advanced vocabulary with reference to your advertisement, but not about your You need to remember that, not about your advert. Not about your advert. You need to remember this. Not about your advert. Just with reference to your advertisement. Not about your advert. Formal linking words, phrases. In addition, you can write however. In addition, you can write however. And next one, the passive I can be connected. The passive I can be connected, but not you can contact me. Not you can contact me. You should not write not you can contact me. You can write I can be connected. You can only write I can be connected. And next one, polite full forms I would like to apply. That means not I would like. I would like to apply, not like this. You should write in full word I would, not I apostrophe C D. Understood, my dear students? I will repeat again. While writing a formal letter writing, you need to use more advanced vocabulary with reference to your advertisement, not about your advert. Formal linking words, phrases in addition to however. The passive I can be connected, not you can contact me. Polite full forms I would like to apply, not I apostrophe D like. Understood, my dear students? So today we discuss about free writing, letters of application and formal letter writing. In our next class we discuss more about free writing. Till then, take care, stay safe. Thank you.